508 meters of steel and concrete, standing exactly 200 meters from a major fault line.
Inside this tower hangs a 730-ton steel sphere, the world's largest tuned mass damper.
Taiwan experiences over 15,000 earthquakes annually, and engineers chose to build here anyway.
Engineers faced an impossible question: how to build the world's tallest building in the world's most dangerous seismic zone.
Watch how 108,000 tons of steel and 380 foundation piles created an earthquake-proof masterpiece. July 99, 2,000 workers begin excavating 21 meters into soft clay soil. Core samples reveal soft clay extending 6 meters deep. Traditional foundations would be impossible. Slurry walls 1.2 meters thick will descend 47 meters, blocking groundwater infiltration. Reinforcement cages weighing 30 tons descend through liquid clay, forming a watertight perimeter.
High-strength concrete displaces the bentonite from below, creating impenetrable underground barriers. Top-down construction allows the podium to rise while excavation continues 20 meters below. Steel cross-lot bracing holds back earth pressure as excavation reaches full depth. 380 board piles will anchor this tower 8 meters into the earth. Each pile bores 1.5 meters wide, penetrating 30 meters into solid bedrock. 6 rigs drill in perfect coordination, each pile spaced 4 meters apart in a staggered grid. Reinforcement cages 80 meters long require 1,200 individual welds for each pile. Tag lines guide each cage through 80 meters of vertical descent with millimeter precision. 69 megapascal concrete, twice the strength of standard mix, fills each pile from bottom to top. 90 days of continuous operations, 380 piles now anchor the tower to bedrock. 50-millimeter reinforcing bars create multiple layers of tensile strength against seismic forces. The foundation mat spans 3 to 4.7 meters thick, distributing loads to all 380 piles.
48 hours of continuous pouring, 20,000 cubic meters of concrete without a single cold joint.
Night crews maintain the rhythm. Concrete must never stop flowing until the mat is complete. 380 anchors to bedrock. This foundation can withstand a magnitude 7 earthquake.
Summer 2001, 118,000 tons of steel begins rising from the earth.
6 welders work in unison for 16 hours. Balanced heat prevents column distortion.
2 super columns per face, 8 total, will carry the tower's gravity load to foundation. 16 core columns with X-bracing create the tower's lateral resistance backbone. Floor girders link perimeter to core, creating a rigid diaphragm at every level. 135 millimeters of concrete bonds to steel deck, composite floors spanning the tower.
The pyramid base adds sloping columns, improved overturning resistance as the tower widens below.
Dog-bone beam connections yield before columns, protecting the structure during severe earthquakes. 2-story belt trusses will circle the building, tying all perimeter columns together. Belt truss sections weighing 80 tons connect mega columns on all 4 building faces. Outriggers turn core bending into column compression, dramatically reducing tower drift.
Every 8 floors, another bamboo joint belt trusses and outriggers repeat the stabilizing pattern.
Above level 26, sawtooth corners reduce wind-induced oscillations by 40%.
8 modules of 8 floors each perimeter columns tilt outward 7 degrees per section.
Concrete pumps lift 10,000 psi mix over 200 meters. Strength verified at every placement.
200 meters above Taipei, the tower now pierces the cloud deck.
Above floor 62, pure steel, the upper tower trades mass for flexibility.
6 modules complete, 74 floors standing, 27 more to reach the sky.
4 minutes per lift, steel sections rise 400 meters from street to ironworkers' hands.
Floor 87 to 92, the tower's heart is about to be installed.
4 suspension points engineered to hold 730 tons in constant motion. 41 steel plates, each 125 millimeters thick, welded into the world's largest damper ball. 5.5 meters across, painted gold, the finished sphere awaits its 350-meter ascent.
No crane can lift it whole, and the sphere ascends in 4 sections over 4 days.
180 tons ascending. Traffic below stops. The city watches.
Through a 20-meter opening, the first quarter descends into its permanent home. 4 sections reunited. Welders rebuild the sphere 400 meters above its birthplace. 8 dashpots convert building sway to heat. The sphere's motion fights the wind.
Pneumatic bumpers limit extreme motion, preventing runaway during major seismic events.
Free to swing, the 730-ton pendulum begins its eternal duty. Module 9 rises above the damper. The observation deck takes shape in the clouds. 2 7-ton dampers control the spire, protecting against wind fatigue at 500 meters.
The 60-meter spire rises. Taiwan's flag marks the tallest construction point on Earth.
Double-pane glass rated for 7-ton impacts. The curtain wall can survive projectile debris.
The facade flexes 95 millimeters. Glass moves with the tower, never against it.
Blue-green glass and golden Rui symbols, the tower's identity emerges floor by floor.
60.6 kilometers per hour, ground to observation deck in 37 seconds.
Mechanical systems serving 101 floors, engineered for Platinum LEED certification.
Office levels and observation deck, the world's tallest building prepares to welcome visitors.
Every system tested. Elevators, dampers, sensors, alarms. Perfection required before opening.
December 2004 approaches. 5 years of construction, reaching its final hour. November 2003, the retail podium opens, giving Taipei its first glimpse inside. 37 seconds from 5th floor to 89th, the world's fastest elevator delivers visitors to the sky.
382 meters above ground, Taipei spreads in every direction below. The heart of Taiwan's tallest building, visitors witness engineering genius suspended in air.
Midnight, fireworks announce to the world that Taiwan has reached 508 meters.
412,000 square meters of office and retail, Taiwan's financial heart begins beating. March 2002, a magnitude 6.8 earthquake tested the tower at 56 floors. 40% reduction in sway, the damper performed exactly as Motioneering designed. 2011, Platinum LED certified as the world's tallest green building.
Taiwan's icon. From engineering marvel to cultural symbol recognized around the globe.
One integrated system, every component working together against nature's most violent forces. 118,000 tons of steel, 380 piles, 5 years of construction.
From empty lot to world record, witness 5 years compressed into seconds. 1999 to 2004, 2,000 workers, $1.9 billion, one earthquake-proof masterpiece.
From raw foundation to architectural icon, 5 years of engineering excellence realized. Every weld inspected, every joint verified. Precision engineering from foundation to spire. After 8 million worker hours, 700,000 tons of materials, one tower stands alone.
508 meters of earthquake-proof engineering, Taiwan's monument to human achievement.
Every night, Taiwan's beacon glows, a symbol of resilience against earthquake and storm.
Every New Year's Eve, millions witness Taiwan's engineering triumph light the sky.
The world's largest tuned mass damper. Engineering made visible for generations to learn.
From Elephant Mountain, Taiwan's achievement rises above the city it protects. Through typhoon and earthquake, day and night, the tower stands eternal guard. 101 floors of earthquake-proof engineering, Taiwan's gift to architectural history. Rising from an island of earthquakes, one tower proved that nothing is impossible.
508 meters. Every centimeter engineered to defy the forces of nature. Subscribe to Industrial Evolution for more videos exploring how the modern world is built.